Hello, and welcome. I'm so happy and so excited because finally I can introduce you the best ever, unique, extraordinary training, one of the kind training, which is called 5 star lifestyle. Woohoo! 5 star lifestyle for everybody on the planet. How did it came? Well, very easily. Well, actually, it wasn't easy at all. Just it was easy past the months to create this because I went through all the stages. I used to be broke. I used to ask the questions like, "Please, God, can you give me the sign?" I used to beg the God and beg the universe for help. How can I make it work? What can I do? I was imagining how I am living my life as I wanted, and yet my reality didn't work out for that. So actually, it was working very slowly towards this point where I realized it, and I also put it together for you so you can benefit and start living your 5 star lifestyle too as well. So before we will go deeper into the program itself, I want to tell you something about how to make right decisions because it's very important. And we people, this is like background process what's happening, and I want to bring on the surface very important aspects of the decisions. So make sure that you understand there are two parts of you. One, what makes you to grow, it gives you these ideas and pushes and all the opportunities just in front of you. And the one which is usually stronger, which wants you to keep small and not grow. And when you feel the calling, like, yes, this is it, this is the answer, and you feel like you were guided towards it, maybe even, that's the first like intuition answer, like the higher mind, higher self, God, universe, spirit, angels, however you want to call it, it doesn't matter, what is talking to you and showing you the path, it's leading you. For you, and up to you, is just to trust and let it flow, let it go on that path what has been given to you, in order to get what you want, right? The part of you, the second part of you, which is ego based, is wanting to keep you small. It's based on the past experiences, low self-esteem, and so on, and it will do its best to not allow you to get what you want. It wants you to keep small because it's safe, it's known, and it's safe. This is what ego cares about. It doesn't know that this is for your good, for your future, for your happiness of your family. It doesn't care at all. It doesn't know it. The intuition, the higher mind, angels, universe, God, the part of you what wants you to grow, cares about. Just unfortunately, the ego is usually stronger because we are not used to listen to ourselves, to trust ourselves, right? So the trick is the first immediate feeling, the first immediate moment is the right one. So if you feel pulled towards 5 star lifestyle, you can be sure it's your one. It's for you. And universe, God, your higher self will do its best to work it out. All right? So it can be whatever. It doesn't have to be just me. It can be, I don't know, maybe a dream house or partner you want to start having a relationship with, or whatever it is. And this is also part of our training where we will go deeper into this and helping you actually to listen and hear more of the part of you what want you to grow, and work also with the ego to keep it where it should be. All right, so the first one is the most important moment, and that is the one you should follow. Okay, then you not these blah blah things like you are not good enough, you will not make it work, it's too expensive, and blah 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 blah, right? So Now you know how to make your decision. So let's go deeper into the 5-star lifestyle, shall we? So this is 3 months training, 12 weeks. We are starting 5th of January. So you can start your new year with your best version of yourself, best version of your life, 5-star life, whatever it means to you. It doesn't matter. I'm here to help you to fulfill your dreams. I did mine, and now it's time for you. Okay, so within those 3 weeks, we are 3 months, 12 weeks, we are going to cover tremendous informations and topics, and we will have a lot of fun, a lot of breakthrough, and you are going to have extraordinary, spectacular results and experiences during those 3 months, or also definitely after. So we will work with the mind, which is actually, we will use this mind, your mind, as a shortcut, as a support. This is what many trainings don't do. We will do. You are going to have unique training. Okay, then we will also touch the relationship and sexuality as well. Those 3 are main aspects, main topics, which are responsible for 5-star lifestyle. When this is in harmony, the rest is coming. Money, happiness, experiences, offers, everything. So therefore, those 3 together. And you can read more about the program itself in the website. It's already in the post, in the text. You can click and go through and see for yourself. Okay? You are going to have amazing benefits during the time, which are going to cover the benefits of your spirit, how you will perceive, how you will feel emotionally, sexually, mentally, financially. As I said, you will be able to get more money into your life, and much more. Everything is detailed in the website. What you can choose one from the 3 options. One option, the first one, is a VIP. This is open for only 4 people, not more than that, because I want to make sure I'm giving my best energy, best attention, and all attention only for you. Because we are going to do 1-to-1, that means only me and you sessions, plus group sessions as well, Q&As, and there are amazing bonuses. Check them out, they are really amazing. Another option is a golden ticket, which is based on the group. So we will do the group sessions together, live or recording. Everything will be recording. Also for VIP, everything will be recorded and everything will be sent to you. So you can come back, come back or watch it, make sure you understand everything. And there will be also Q&A sessions to make sure that everything is working out. I will check out how you are doing. What are your questions to support you. Last one is the standard, and standard is suitable for people if you are one of them who likes to do self-study, just basically self-study, no interaction, just you do it yourself, plus of course the Q&A, so you are supported. I will not just let you be like this. I am also curious and I want to care how you are, where you are standing, so Q&A session for you as well. And amazing bonuses. Check them out for sure. They are really worth it. So it will be awesome. It will be incredible. And before I will go, I want to tell you this. Listen to me right now. You are worthy of 5-star lifestyle, whatever it means to you. You are worthy of having amazing lifestyle, amazing partnership, amazing sexuality, and supportive mind. You are worthy of plenty of abundance, of money, of everything. This is your birthright. You are going to make it work because I will not let you down. I will keep you accountable, and there will be plenty of time to listen, to apply, and you will feel supported and you will be supported. So procrastination will not be able to interfere too much, and results has no other choice than show up for you. Okay, so And if you really feel a connection, which I know you do, I am the right person for you, and this training is exactly the right one for you as well. It's answer for your prayers, for your questions, and it's the way how the higher mind, the universe, or God, however you want to call it, is showing you what's your next step in your life, and you are definitely worthy of those. So I'm very happy to open the doors. I'm opening them officially right now. Check it in more detail in the website. You can go through, or you can just go directly into the payment. And we are starting 5th of January. So I cannot wait to see you there, because you really do deserve to live like this. I know it. And I believe in you, and I trust you. So you don't have to feel worried. You don't have to feel, any kind of fear, because everything will work out. I will do my best for that. So my dear, sending you a kiss, and cannot wait to start working with you, because this is awesome, and the results what you are going to have are just going to blow your mind. It was so amazing. So see you there, and have a super day. If you need anything, just contact me. I'm here for you. Mwah!